Happy Tuesday, freshmen. Hope you guys are doing well. We're going to do future passive for our bell work today. So the two words I'd like for you to conjugate and translate: woko, wokare, and then moneo, monera. Okay, so conjugate and translate those in the future passive. All right, so go ahead and pause the video and do that. All right, and then let's see what you got here. So for woko, you should have woka bor, woka beris, woka bitter, woka bimmer, woka bimini, woka bunter. Okay, so notice what you're doing there. Taking your stem woka, and then adding bor, beris, bitter, bimmer, bimini, bunter. All right, translated: I will be called, you will be called, he, she, it will be called, and so on and so forth. All right. And then for moneo, we're going to do the same sort of thing. So take your stem monet, and then you add bor, beris, bitter, bimmer, bimini, bunter. I will be warned, you will be warned. All God's children will be warned. All right, and that would be how you do future passive for first and second conjugations. All right, next we're going to take a look at our new translation station for today. And this is going to be uploaded on LMS, so you can get the document there, the picture of the translation and the vocab for the translation. And this is called a wedding invitation. And we're going to be doing lines 1 through 6 today. So if you would translate those for me, please. So lines 1 through Salwete down to Wide Bimmer. All right, so go ahead and pause the video. All right, and let's see what you got here. So this is, as you can see, announcing the marriage of Peleus and Thetis. They're destined to become the parents of Achilles, or Achilles if you prefer, greatest of the Greek warriors who fought at the Troy. All right, and so this is in the form of a kind of like an invitation, which is a little peculiar for a translation, but it's kind of fun. So Salwete, hello, greetings. O gods and goddesses, O di deaique. Okay, so Salwete is a nice imperative. With the te there, tells you it's plural, second person plural. And then gods and goddesses, both of them are in the vocative. All right. Our friend Peleus has big plans. He's got great plans. So our friend Peleus is your subject. And big plans, great plans, are your direct object. Notice those are in the accusative as well, magna concilia. All right. He will lead the nymph Thetis in marriage. Okay. You can also translate in matrimonium ducet. You can also just translate it, he will marry the nymph Thetis. Okay, so either way, you can say either he will lead the nymph Thetis in marriage, or he will marry the nymph Thetis. Either one. Okay, just make the ducet, make sure that's future. Okay, with that E on a third conjugation verb. All right, next sentence. Therefore, you are called by me, Jupiter, to Thessaly. Okay, so wokamini is our verb here. Notice with the mini ending, it is second person plural, present passive, indicative. Okay, so passive is our new voice that we need to look out for. All right, by me, Jupiter. Me, Jupiter, is in the ablative. Okay, and this would be our new ablative of agent. Hey, because I'm the one doing the action. I, Jupiter, am doing the action in a passive sentence. Okay, so that's the new ablative of agent. All right, next sentence. Expect good games and sweet feasts, or a sweet feast. I guess it's technically a plural noun. All right. Expect good games and a sweet feast. Okay. Expectate, once again, a nice imperative. All right. So Jupiter here is basically like the wedding planner. So that's pretty exciting. All right. Debatus. You ought, however, to be warned about these dangers. Okay, so debatus would be your main verb, you ought. And then monere would be that passive infinitive. Okay, you ought to be warned about these dangers. Okay, and now he's going to list the dangers that you need to be aware of. We're only going to do one today. We'll do the second one tomorrow. All right, so first danger, danger number 1. Quoniam, since Peleus is mortal, his spirit, his soul, his spirit will be terrified, will be frightened, if we appear too powerful, or if we seem too powerful. Okay? So since Peleus is mortal, his spirit will be terrified if we seem, or if we appear, too powerful. Okay, so let's take a look at our verbs there. Est is our first verb we come to, just a third person singular present indicative. And then you get terabiter. Okay, the bitter, like you saw in your bell work, that's third person singular, future passive indicative. All right, and then would a bimmer is also future passive indicative. This one though is with the bimmer is first person plural. Okay. And notice there that passive of video, a lot of times translated seem or appear. Okay. All right, so that is our translation so far for today. So make sure you're reviewing that. We will have our vocab quiz on Thursday, the day of Thor. So make sure you're getting the prepared. And like I said before, this will be your last of the vocab quizzes. Okay. So chapter 18 vocab on Thursday, and then we'll try to do our test next Tuesday. Will be the game plan, as it were. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, about passive or Latin in general. All right. Love you guys. Hope you have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you later.